Mensuration. Surface area of cylinder. In our daily life, we see many objects like round pillars in buildings. We've seen tube lights in our house. We've seen water pipes in our house. These are all in cylindrical shape. As we've learned in the previous class, we call this as a cylinder. Now let us learn how to find the surface area of the cylinder. Let us do a small activity to find the surface area of the cylinder. Have you ever wanted to gift wrap a can? Did you ever wonder how much wrapping paper you would need? Let's explore and see. Here we have a can and a gift paper. First, let us keep the can on the gift paper and trace the base of the can and cut it. Here we got a circle. In a similar way, let us cut one more circle for the top of the cylinder. Now we have two circles. With this we can wrap the top and bottom of the can. Now we need to wrap around the can. To do this, let us cut the gift paper in such a way that its width is equal to the height of the can. Wrap the strip around the can such that it just fits around the can. To wrap the can, we need two circles and a rectangle. So to find the amount of gift paper used to wrap the can, we need to find its area, which is the sum of the areas of the rectangle and the two circles. This area is called the total surface area of the cylinder. Here, note that the breadth of the rectangle is same as the circumference of the two circles. Therefore, we can say that cylinder can be divided into three parts, that is, two circles and a rectangle. Look at this cylinder. Its height is h units, and its diameter is equal to the diameter of the base. Let's consider the radius of the base as r units. We know that the area of a circle is pi times r squared. The area of the rectangle is base into height. Notice that the length of the rectangle formed here is the perimeter of the base, which is equal to 2 pi times r. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is 2 pi rh. Observe that the cylinder is made up of a rectangle and two circles. Hence, the total surface area of the cylinder is the sum of the areas of the rectangle and the two circles. The area of this rectangle, which is its total surface area, minus the areas of its top and base. This area is called the lateral surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. The total surface area of the cylinder is the sum of the areas of the rectangle and the two circles, which is equal to 2 pi rh plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. Therefore, we get the total surface area of a cylinder as 2 pi r into h plus r. Let's find the total surface area of the can that we have gift wrapped. The height of the can is 16 centimeters and the diameter is 10 centimeters. Hence, the radius of the base is 5 centimeters. Since the total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r times r plus h, let us substitute now. Here r is 5 centimeters. Height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters. Therefore, after substituting, the total surface area of the given cylinder is 660 square centimeters. Therefore, 660 square centimeters of gift paper is required to wrap the can. Let us take another example. In a building, there are 24 cylindrical pillars. The radius of each pillar is 28 centimeter and height is 4 meters. Find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all the pillars at the rate of rupees 8 per meter square. Now let us solve this example. What is given here? Given radius of cylindrical pillar is 28 centimeters and height of the pillar is 4 meters. We need to find the total cost of painting the curved surface area of all 24 pillars, where cost of painting an area of 1 meter square is rupees 8. We know the formula of the lateral surface area of the cylinder, that is, curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. By solving this, we get 7.04 meters square. Since there are 24 pillars, let us multiply 7.04 by 24, which is equal to 168.96 meters square. We know the cost of painting an area of 1 meter square is rupees 8. Therefore, cost of painting 168.96 is multiplied by 8, which is equal to rupees 1351.68. Therefore, total cost painting the curved surface area of all the pillars is rupees 1351.68. Let us solve a different kind of problem. Find the height of the cylinder, whose radius is 7 centimeters and the total surface area is 968 meters square. Now let us solve this problem. Here the given radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters and total surface area of the cylinder is 968 meters square. We need to find the height of the cylinder. Let height of the cylinder be h. We know the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r times r plus h. Therefore, from the given data, we can write 2 pi r times r plus h is equal to 986. By solving this, we get 15 centimeters. Hence, height of the cylinder is 15 centimeters. Let us solve one more problem. Find the total amount of metal sheet required to make 20 pipes of diameter 3 feet and height 7 feet. The cylindrical pipes used for drainage are made up of metal sheets. Given the diameter of each pipe is 3 feet and height is 7 feet. Here we need to find the amount of the metal sheet required for making 20 such pipes. Since the pipes are in the shape of a cylinder without the base and the top, the amount of metal sheet required to make each pipe is equal to its lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is the perimeter of its base times its height, which is equal to 2 pi RH. The diameter of the pipe is given as 3 feet, and hence the radius of the base is 1.5 feet, and the height is given as 7 feet. Therefore, the lateral surface area of each pipe is 66 square feet. Let us solve one more problem. A rectangular paper of length 22 centimeters is rolled without overlaps to form a cylinder whose lateral surface area is 110 centimeters square. Find the breadth of the rectangular paper used here. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. The length of the rectangular sheet is equal to the perimeter of the base, which is equal to 2 pi r, and it is given as 22 centimeters. And the breadth of the rectangular sheet is equal to the height of the cylinder formed. Since the lateral surface area of the cylinder is given as 110 square centimeters, we get the value of h as 5 centimeters, which is equal to the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Let us summarize what we have learned. Lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r(h). Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r times h plus r.